Imagine sending 1,000 personalized video messages where every recipient hears their name, sees your face, and thinks you made it just for them, all without hitting record more than once. Sounds like magic, but it's not. It's BHuman AI. Welcome to this deep dive in BHuman AI, which is an AI-powered platform that lets you clone yourself using your face and voice and create ultra-personalized videos and scale. Whether you're in sales, e-commerce, real estate, or education, BHuman offers a futuristic yet practical way to build human-like relationships with customers without burning yourself out. So in this video, we'll cover how it works in 3 simple steps, who should be using it, and whether it's worth it. BHuman AI has a Trustpilot rating of 3.6 out of 5 based on limited reviews. Users praise its personalized video creation, ease of use, and ability to improve customer engagement through face and voice cloning. However, some report issues like unexpected credit loss, deleted videos, and slow or unresponsive customer support. While the tool offers strong value for personalized outreach, users should keep an eye on account activity and back up their content regularly. So let's break down how BHuman AI works into 3 key features. Let's start with the most powerful part of BHuman, that is cloning yourself. To do this, head over to your BHuman dashboard and click New Persona. This is where the magic begins. Now just fill out a few quick details such as your name, your username, company name, job title, and select the tone you want your persona to speak in and whether it's professional, casual, or energetic. Once that's done, hit start cloning and you'll then be prompted to either record a video directly in the browser or upload a pre-recorded one. This video acts as your template and it's only recorded once. Inside your script, you can leave placeholders like, hey, and the person's name, I saw you visited, and leave the product page name. So I want you to send this quick message and just so on to analyze your face and voice and creates a digital clone that lip syncs and speaks dynamically, inserting personalized data into every video. It's smooth, realistic, and fully automated. That's how you create your persona and clone yourself once, then you reuse it forever. Now let's move on to feature 2. Once you've created your digital clone, you don't have to start from scratch. BHuman gives you access to ready-made AI video campaigns that are proven to convert. Just head over to AI Studio. You'll be greeted with a simple message that is, let's make a new campaign. And from there, it's go time. You'll see multiple pre-built templates, each designed for different goals. All you need to do is click Start Campaign and the system guides you step by step. First, right away, you'll be asked to pick the language for your video. It is great for multilingual campaigns. Choose either your clone persona or an AI actor to star in the video. Next, you'll write the script your AI clone will speak. You can either create it from scratch or use the campaign suggested template. But here's the cool part. You can analyze script with AI and BHuman will scan your script, identify dynamic fields like first name, product, date, and optimize for realism. No guesswork, the AI literally tells you what works. Once your script is ready, BHuman asks, how would you like to launch? You have 3 launch options. First is the strategy overview that quickly understands the campaign goals. Then, if you don't want to set it up yourself for $99, the BHuman team will handle it end to end. And if you want to do it yourself, choose this if you want to integrate it with your CRM or automation tools like Zapia, Make, or webhooks, which is perfect for teams that want total control. Before launching, you'll see a final preview screen such as campaign summary, persona used, number of videos to be generated, etc. Click confirm. And just like that, your fully personalized campaign goes live. Whether it's 50 clients or 5,000, each will receive a unique video that feels hand recorded by you. So this guided campaign builder is plug and play. In just a few minutes, you've created a powerful AI-driven campaign that feels human, personal, and scalable. Next up, let's move to feature 3. If you want to scale your outreach and fully automate your workflows, Zapia Integration with BHuman is where it all comes together. So here's exactly how to connect BHuman with Zapia and start automating in minutes. From your BHuman dashboard, click on Settings in the left menu and scroll down, select Zapia Integration. Click on Start Zapia Integration. This will open up a setup panel where you can connect BHuman to your Zapia account. Now click Generate New Key. This will give you a client ID and a client secret. Make sure to copy both. You'll need them to connect inside Zapia. Then when you head over to Zapia, you got to log in with your account. And you got to paste in the client ID and client secret when prompted. And your BHuman account will be linked with Zapia. Inside Zapia, you can now build a Zap to automate various events. With Zapia connected, you can trigger personalized BHuman videos from any app, including HubSpot, Airtable, Calendly, Shopify, and more, and send them wherever you want. As automation meets personalization at full scale, let's talk about who should be using BHuman and why this might just change your outreach game forever. BHuman is designed for teams and creators who want to scale their human touch. Here's who will love it. Sales teams who want to speed up cold outreach or follow up with videos that feel one-on-one. E-commerce brands who want to send personalized post-purchase cart recovery or thank you messages. Real estate agents who want to personalize welcome or walk-through videos for clients. And course creators and coaches who want to greet every new student or lead with a custom message. It is also great for customer support teams. So whether you have 10 clients or 10,000, BHuman lets you stay personal without being present. So yes, BHuman does have an affiliate program as well. You can earn a double commission on all sales during promotional periods and access perks like luxury rewards, early feature access, and pre-made creatives. It is great for marketers or agencies looking to monetize AI tools. BHuman also provides API and SDK access like PHP, which is perfect for developers or automation geeks who want to trigger videos via back-end systems, integrate with platforms like HubSpot, Notion, or custom dashboards, automate customer journeys based on users' action. As no tool is perfect, here are a few areas BHuman could improve. First is voice cloning limitations, though it is very realistic, but the voice cloning currently only works in English. Then we have render time. So videos typically take 2 to 3 minutes each. Bulk rendering works but isn't instant. Then UI and UX tweaks. Some users have noted occasional UI bugs or dashboard lags, and more visual customization like changing backgrounds with enhanced personalization. Still, these are minor when stacked against what BHuman offers. So should you try BHuman AI? If you're a business owner wanting to personalize without scaling costs, then yes, BHuman is a futuristic but accessible solution. With features like face cloning, CRM integrations, API access, and monetization potential, it's not just a cool AI tool, it's a real revenue driver. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.